This is the Haley Paint high volume, low pressure machine, which can spray either spray foam insulation or polyfloor shield. We designed the HVLP system with portable building manufacturers in mind. This system can be sprayed within your shop, and the only people that need to wear any form of PPE are the ones within a 25-foot radius of the applicator. With our low pressure system, you can reoccupy the building immediately, whereas with a high pressure system, you would have a 24-hour reoccupancy time and you would not be able to spray within an enclosed shop environment. Our system was designed and engineered requiring only 110 standard outlet and 120 PSI air pressure to drive the fluid pressure, so you don't have to make any additional changes to your shop. The machine is made up of the control panel, the auto calibrator, the air dryer, the pumps, the actual chemical, as well as the hose. On the control panel, you have your master switch, as well as your switches for running your heated drum blankets and your heated hose. On the front of the control panel, you have your temperatures where you can set and actually read what the temperature of the material is, as well as a counter which is telling you how much material you're putting onto your building. We designed this system with portable building manufacturers in mind. That is why we have gone with a simple machine, also with this specific auto calibrator. It makes it impossible to spray off ratio and can eliminate the challenges you can have with a high pressure system. Spray foam requires 3 characteristics to have good foam: heat, technique, and ratio. This system makes it nearly impossible to spray off ratio and eliminates people's concerns with spray foam. At Haley Paint, we are continuously trying to improve our equipment. Our most recent upgrade has been an increase in our supply lines in and out of the auto calibrator, which has given us a minimum of a 20% increase in output of the spray foam. Anybody who already has our equipment can also get these upgrades. Moisture can have an impact on both foam and poly setup. Therefore, we have included an air dryer on our machine. So as your air comes from your shop and it enters the machine, this will dry the air before actually going to the pumps into your gun. Having this air dryer on our machine will ensure that you have consistent foam and poly every time you spray. We include 75 feet of heated hose, but can go up to 150. Our spray gun also has removable tips for ease of cleanup. Here we have our A and our B side. Both foam and poly are 2-part systems. These pumps are air powered, which pumps the material into the auto calibrator where it's regulated. In these drums, there's also temperature probes, which is reading the temperature of your material and being displayed on the control panel. Our system includes heated drum blankets and a heated hose. Heat is really important for spraying spray foam insulation because without it, you won't get the same amount of yield and expansion, therefore requiring you to use more material in the same area. A benefit of our HVLP system is that it can run at a little lower temperature than a high pressure system. So our heated drum blankets can increase the foam up to 90 degrees and our heated hose can go up to 120 degrees, which allows the foam to get up to temperature in the winter but does not overheat your shop when you're working in the summer. Since our machine only requires 120 PSI and a 110 outlet, you can easily add an air compressor and a generator and you can make it mobile. We can also install it in a trailer for you so that you can spray completely off the grid. At Haley Paint, we stand behind our equipment. We're also constantly innovating, so if you have a current system and would be interested in these upgrades, or if you would like to buy a Haley Paint low maintenance HVLP system, please call us in the phone number in the description below.